So today I'm going to replace some bulbs after the cluster with LEDs. So these are the bulbs you're going to replace. They are very small. You need to buy T5 LEDs to replace these. You must remove this one over here. Easy as that. You have 3 screws, one on top, one there, and one there. It should be easy enough, and then 3 plugs. Now I remove this. Those are the 3 plugs, and I will replace some of them. These ones, you can see. Next some here with these ones. Let's try them. So here I'm filing the edges of here, this bit here, like this. So that they can enter here. So you can see I did 3. I will do the last one here. So I think I found the trick to make them surely correct. These have the right Toshiba on at the back. You must put the triangle on here. You can see it, I don't think so. But there's a triangle on the LED, and it should be near the A. And when you put it inside here, you have to read it well, Toshiba, not the upside down. As you can see, this one reads correct. These don't. These are for the left and right indicators, so I will not change those. So as you can see, I did 2 of these. Look at the difference from here and one over there. So this is the difference now. It's much brighter. Look, that one is the old bulb here. As you can see, it's orange, like of the temperature. But these ones are much brighter. And then I will show you a better result when the sun goes down. For those of you who want to know what these are, the old ones. These bulbs are 1.2 watts, 12 volts. That are in here. But I replaced them with LEDs. So this is the final result. You need 75 LEDs in total to do them. I think it looks good. It's brighter than before, for sure. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Subscribe. See ya.